Yeah, Simi, that's precisely. First of all, let me show you the scene outside Aam Aadmi Party's office here in Hanuman Road. As I was saying, within half an hour's time, a huge, in fact, a capacity crowd has gathered outside the office, and huge crowd on either side of the road. Supporters are telling me that they were told by the late noon time itself that they need to gather outside the office because they should expect some big announcement by the leader Arvind Kejriwal. I have huge supporters here with me. They themselves will answer. First of all, आप मुझे ये बता दें यहाँ पर क्या होने वाला है आगे. सबसे पहले तो ये बता दें.
देखिए, केजरीवाल साहब यहाँ आने वाले हैं और जो भी वो आएंगे बताएंगे क्या होने वाला है.
आपको यहाँ आने के लिए बोला गया था, क्या बोला गया है, यहाँ क्यों जमा हुए हैं आप लोग?
नहीं, देखिए, ये तो स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन है पूरे वॉलंटियर्स का कि जो कुछ हम असेंबली में देख रहे थे कि किस तरह से ये दोनों करप्ट पार्टियां एक हो गई हैं, बीजेपी और कांग्रेस, और खुद को अपनी खाल बचाने.
तो इसके आगे क्या फ्रेश मैंडेट?
टुडे यू सी द two major political parties of the country, they are unmasked. Now it is quite clear that they believe that Indian society there should be corruption. We are fighting against that.
What do the supporters want? What do our supporters want? A fresh mandate?
Yeah, we will.
What do you want?
Definitely.
Sir,
there should be fresh mandate. There should be fresh mandate.
You know, there से चुनाव हो.
बिल्कुल चुनाव करेंगे, पूरे बहुमत से आएंगे.
तमाम जितने यहाँ पर आपके समर्थक हैं, क्या वो फिर से चुनाव चाहते हैं?
नहीं, फिर से चुनाव लड़ने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. लोकपाल बिल जरूर लाएंगे.
हम फिर से लड़ेंगे. अगर तो जरूरत पड़ी तो फिर से लड़ेंगे, फिर से जीतेंगे और फिर से आएंगे.
So Simi, right now the general mood is, as this person was also saying, Arvind Kejriwal in all likelihood is going to come here and announce what the future plan is. But the AAM supporters here clearly maintain, after the stance taken by Congress and the BJP in the floor of the House, they would love to seek a fresh mandate.
Right.
Simi.
Javed Ansari, who's with us in our studio this evening. Javed Ansari, it's interesting how the Aam Aadmi Party's supporters are very loyal. They're refusing to see any kind of game behind the AAP strategy to table this bill, to corner the government. They're willing to go ahead with any decision that Arvind Kejriwal takes.
Well, yes, that's true, and this is what happens with most loyalist supporters. Look at what is happening in the Congress party. Despite its obvious mishandling of the Andhra situation, there are a lot of congressmen who still believe that they've done nothing wrong. So most loyalists will continue to think that way. Whether the people as a whole buy into this is another question. I think one of the reasons, Simi, why Arvind Kejriwal has not announced his resignation in the assembly is he will come before his supporters and he will ask, he's going to pose this question to them. Look, they've defeated the bill. What do you want me to do? And I can bet my last penny what the answer will be. They will say you quit. He wants to keep the party, he wants to take the people along, and he wants this to be seen as a decision that was taken on his behalf by his party workers.
So basically, at the end of the day, Arvind Kejriwal is going to emerge as a martyr who gave up his kursi to fight corruption.
Well, that's what he's pitching for. He will certainly want to go out as one who was crusading against corruption, and he'll try and paint the BJP and the Congress in one corner, saying that these are status quo parties, they are for corruption, and that's why they ganged up to prevent me from introducing and passing the Jan Lokpal bill in the Delhi Assembly.
And the Ansari, one thing, explain to us, explain to our viewers, you know, there is a plea that's been admitted by the Delhi High Court, which will look into whether or not the Lieutenant Governor can interrupt tabling of a bill in the Assembly. Now, why not wait for that decision to come from the High Court? Why this hurry to step down?
It's simple. This is if the court strike it down, then he will not get any political mileage. He will not be able to then accuse the BJP and the Congress of siding with the corrupt, of acting against him at the behest of Ambani's. He will not be able to then go out as a political martyr, because he's resigning on this, so that, or he will resign on this. He intends resigning on this issue so that he can then go before the electorate in the next election and say, look, I am the only person who's genuinely interested in fighting corruption. The other two only pay lip service, and they are acting at the behest of their corporate masters. This is his larger game plan. This is this one big issue that he will try and campaign on during the next general elections to be held in April and May of this year.
And Ansari, if you were to recount Arvind Kejriwal's speech that he made inside the Delhi Assembly before it was adjourned for the day, he spoke about his love for Andolans. He said he came into politics to revolutionize the entire system. He said that he stands for certain principles and he's refusing to compromise on that. And he says he'll step down not once but almost 100 times if he doesn't have his way. What he's literally saying, it's either his way or the highway. He's refusing to compromise on any account.
Look, the thing is, all political parties function according to their game plan. His game plan is he wants to go out on an issue which is emotive, which resonates with the people, on which he'll get people to react across the length and breadth. He believes corruption is the #1 issue in this country. People across the length and breadth of this land are fed up of corruption, and that's why he's choosing to go out on this issue. Now, like I was saying earlier, whether this succeeds with the people, there are other claimants to this. This is the space that Mr. Narendra Modi is fighting for. This is the space that the third front parties are fighting for. So we'll have to wait and see how much people buy into this. Whether people believe that he's durable enough and that whether he can be entrusted with power. Because it's one thing to be an agitator. You're not voted in power because you're an agitator. People expect you to govern when they vote you in power. And if you develop this reputation of jettisoning, of running away from governance, of delivering and running away from governance, that can be held against you. People, when they vote you, the people don't want elections every 6 months or every fortnight. So Absolutely. When they vote you, they expect you to last his message. And we'll have to wait and see how that resonates with the people.
Absolutely. And these are live visuals that we're getting you from outside the Hanuman Road office of the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's once again listen into that speech that Arvind Kejriwal made inside the Delhi Assembly.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, हमारी सरकार रहे ना रहे, आप लोग हम यहाँ सरकार बचाने के लिए हम यहाँ देश को बचाने के लिए आए हैं। भ्रष्टाचार को दूर करने के लिए अगर 100 बार मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी को दांव पे लगाना पड़े तो 100 बार क्या 1000 बार भी अपनी सरकार को दांव पे लगाने के लिए तैयार है। और मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी तो क्या, अगर अपनी जान देश के लिए देनी पड़े तो मैं अपने आप को बहुत सौभाग्यशाली समझूंगा। मुझे लगता है कि ये आखिरी हमारा सेशन है। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Kejriwal saying that this might be the last session of the Delhi Assembly that he attends. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Ankit Tyagi, who's joining us live from outside the Hanuman Road office of the Aam Aadmi Party. Ankit, Arvind Kejriwal hinting at a big announcement. What's the mood like outside the office? Are supporters happy with any decision that Kejriwal takes?
Well, huge support for Arvind Kejriwal from his supporters. If I can ask my camera person Abhay to just pan and show you, you can see only heads and these white caps that are now identified with the Aam Aadmi Party. A huge number of people have galvanized here. In fact, Simi, the police has barricaded both the ends of the Hanuman Road, 41 Hanuman Road, where the Aam Aadmi Party office is. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, along with senior members of the Aam Aadmi Party and his entire cabinet, is coming here. A big announcement, as we have been constantly telling on headlines today. Yesterday at 10:36, we said that the escape plan for Arvind Kejriwal is ready. This is the great gamble that he is going to take, and now Arvind Kejriwal is expected to come here at Hanuman Road, and after reaching here, he will announce his resignation. That is what we are getting to hear. But now the party is thinking that a massive rally should be planned. It can be either tomorrow or day after, in which the Chief Minister of Delhi either will give the message why he resigned, or probably they will wait for today and resign then. But one thing is very clear, that resignation of the Chief Minister of Delhi will follow. Either it will happen just today or it might happen tomorrow. We will have to wait and see because of Arvind Kejriwal. He is still contemplating that. Party sources have informed us that most likely as soon as he reaches here, this is the place where he won the election. This is the constituency, New Delhi constituency, that Arvind Kejriwal represents. If you remember those visuals of Arvind Kejriwal on the first floor of this very office, coming out and announcing the victory when he defeated Sheila Dikshit with a margin of more than 25,000 votes.
Kejriwal will come, thank all his volunteers here, and then announce his resignation right from the place where it all began for the Aam Aadmi Party. This will be the message that they will now take forward, and from tomorrow itself, the campaign for the Lok Sabha elections will gain momentum, and also the campaign for the re-elections in Delhi will start by tomorrow itself.
Absolutely, a huge announcement likely to come in from the Aam Aadmi Party government with a keen eye on the general elections. Ankit, if you could also ask supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party around you, what do they think about Arvind Kejriwal's decision? If so, if he does step down, also do they think that he failed as the Chief Minister of Delhi to deliver on his promises?
Well, all these people though here are the supporters, so it will be difficult to get a negative opinion about Arvind Kejriwal from here. Sir, आपको लगता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जो अब कांग्रेस और बीजेपी कह रहे हैं कि वो गवर्नेंस नहीं दे पाए, ठीक से सरकार नहीं चला पाए, डर के मारे केजरीवाल ने कुर्सी छोड़ दी है?
No sir, there is only his government is only 2 months old and he has done a lot of work. He has given 50% concession in electricity. He has also given 600.
Do you think he's right when he has resigned on the issue of Lokpal? Do you think it's just a political move?
Absolutely right, because he has promised that he will pass the Lok Sabha bill. And if this Lokpal bill will not pass, he will resign.
आपको लगता है अरविंद केजरीवाल बिल्कुल ठीक कर रहे हैं? He's right in resigning on the issue?
There is no other option. He has sacrificed his government for the cause of the people, which is he wants to give a corruption-free India. We all believe in that.
Now what do you want Arvind Kejriwal to do? Do you see him as the prime ministerial candidate for the 2014 election?
It's not a matter of becoming a prime ministerial candidate. We are fighting for an issue. We are fighting for the nation. The politics which was started from the human blood in Gujarat, that would be evaporated with the cup of tea which Narendra Modi...
This is what the important line here is. People have already started taking Modi's name. The comparison, of course, would be the Aam Aadmi Party workers would want to see Arvind Kejriwal going parallel with Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi in the upcoming elections. And Simi, it seems that with this resignation, the ground for all that campaign, the ground for that has already been prepared.
Absolutely. In fact, Ankit, we're also learning that the cabinet meeting has now begun. Kejriwal has in fact reached the secretariat. A crucial meeting happening. All AAP leaders have gotten together in a huddle. An announcement possible this evening. Ankit Tyagi is getting us live updates from outside the Hanuman Road office of the Aam Aadmi Party. Ankit, can you also ask supporters around you whether they are willing to take a chance on the Aam Aadmi Party, vote for Kejriwal when it comes to the general elections, or was this movement confined to only Delhi?
Well, all of them would, as I said, all of them would want to see now Arvind Kejriwal taking a bigger role in the national politics. अब अरविंद केजरीवाल ने पहले दिल्ली में आप लोगों ने अरविंद केजरीवाल का समर्थन किया. क्या आप लोग अब नेशनल इलेक्शन जो होंगे उसमें भी आप अरविंद केजरीवाल के पीछे खड़े हैं?
पूरे हिंदुस्तान में हम लोग केजरीवाल को अब प्राइम मिनिस्टर चाहते हैं. अभी तो चीफ मिनिस्टर की बात है. हम लोग केजरीवाल को प्राइम मिनिस्टर चाहते हैं और ये जन लोकपाल बिल ये आवाम के हक में है और बीजेपी और कांग्रेस आवाम के खिलाफ चलना चाह रही है.
अभी आप लोग क्या वोट देंगे अरविंद केजरीवाल को 2014 में?
वोट देंगे और पूरे बहुमत से आएंगे, ये बिल पास कराएंगे. दिल्ली की सातों लोकसभा सीटें अरविंद केजरीवाल लेके आएंगे.
That's what the gentleman says there. 7 seats of Delhi are on the target and they would want to see Arvind Kejriwal playing a bigger role in the national politics, and also all of them are saying that they are firmly behind Arvind Kejriwal in his decision to quit as the chief minister of Delhi on the issue of the Jan Lokpal bill. Back to you, Simi.